is my first time being a Luminary. It's just an amazing experience.
As a first-time Luminary, I find it a brilliant opportunity to meet people from all different types of organisations.
The Luminary meetup is, I think, probably one of the most valuable things that we do every year.
I can share my experience with others and I learn a lot of new things.
It's an opportunity for myself to learn and connect with like-minded people.
It gives us the opportunity to speak to peers, to speak to the Qlik team and really get an insight into the direction that Qlik's going and how that can help support us as a business.
To hear the experiences from so many other people who are trying to do similar things to what MEDAIR is doing is incredibly helpful.
The benefits of being a Qlik Luminary is that you get to surround yourself with some of the best professionals in the industry.
I think what is best is that Qlik make it a point, to gather customers together.
Because things are happening so much faster now that we have the cloud capabilities. The innovation is, it was fast, right now it's at breakneck speed.
I'm really, really glad to be here.
Frankly, I'm honored to be a Luminary.
Honored to be part of this program. Thank you.